This video is for Constable.DFW.Painting, and what you're looking at right now is called the heat map. Now, when someone does a search, they're going to get results, right? They're going to use those free Google searches, and they're going to see three businesses in these top three map listings. What most people do not understand is that these top three businesses are getting 70 to 75% of the calls, right? That's a large percentage. Okay, 70 to 74%, 75%. So that means they're getting the most calls, they're getting the first calls, right? And this map listing, or this heat map shows where your map listing is being shown. Now I did a search for someone else. I saw you were, down towards the bottom, so I decided to show you this right here. So anywhere you see a 1, 2, and a 3, you are appearing, third spot in this area. Someone up the street, you're the second GME, and so on. You're the third GMB. Over here in Saginaw, right? You're ranking over there, but everywhere else you're missing out on a lot of calls and a lot of money. So let's hit 20 and 21 strong and go hard.